estate, mergers, acquisitions, and takeovers are making headlines these days. After all, there are far many stressed properties than properties that have financial viability. It makes a sound business sense that if a developer cannot fulfill his obligation to the buyers, he should sell it out to a fiscally healthy player who could take the project off. However, there is a catch here. I am Ravi Sinha, and today I am going to take up the issue of distressed properties being taken over by another builder. What are the rights of the buyers who have already bought over the apartment with the previous developer? A number of complaints have come to us where the new promoter has demanded for extra money with the existing buyers. In some of the cases, the new promoter has completely relaunched the project and asked the existing buyers to either exit those properties or pay them extra. Most of the home buyers don't have the legal understanding, and they end up paying either more or making an exit without being compensated properly. There are a few things that Track2 Realty recommends to the home buyers where the distressed property has been taken over by the new developer. First and foremost, a new developer cannot force you to pay for extra money, and there is a legal safeguard under section 15 of RERA on this. So any demand to pay extra is illegal because the existing contract with the previous developer will be applicable in this case. The developer, the new developer who has taken over the project, has taken it over with all the assets and liabilities. Secondly, new builder taking over a distressed asset has to honor the contractual obligation at each and every level. He cannot even defer the timeline of the project delivery, and if he does that, he has to give compensation, delay penalty to the existing buyers. There is, if the project builder buyer agreement does not have any escalation charges, a clause to have escalation cost, the new builder cannot force you to pay escalation cost. If the stuck project has been given to the new builder under the insolvency law, as has happened in many cases, then in that case, the resolution plan has to be followed. Whatever the IRB professional has chalked out the plan and the strategy to take off the project, that has to be followed. If there is an extra financial liability because of the insolvency commitment given to the new developer, the existing buyer has the right to opt out of the project. The buyer has to demand legitimate right to demand penalty for the project delivery, project delays. There are many legal rights given under RERA, given under consumer courts, and it is imperative for the buyers to understand that they have to avail their rights. The new developer taking over a distressed property cannot bulldoze the existing buyers. He can neither demand extra charges, nor he can delay the timeline of the delivery, nor he can, in the name of relaunching, he can force you to accept any change in your apartment specifications. These are some of the legal aspects that the buyers stuck up in distressed assets must keep that in mind.